In a cozy cottage nestled in the heart of the forest, a mischievous mouse named Milo lived. He loved nothing more than scurrying through secret passages, always a step ahead of Whiskers, the cunning cat. Whiskers were determined to catch his elusive prey, sharpening his claws and devising clever strategies. But Milo, with nimble paws and a sharp mind, outwitted the feline at every turn. Their chase became a dance of wits, a game of anticipation. Whiskers would spring, and Milo would disappear into mouse-sized nooks. The two animals were forever entwined in a playful pursuit, each one determined to outsmart the other. Milo loved the thrill of the chase, and he knew that Whiskers did too. It wasn't just about capturing Milo, but the excitement of the game itself. Eventually, Whiskers realized that he didn't need to catch Milo to enjoy the chase. He loved the feeling of his heart racing as he chased the mouse through the cottage. And so, the cat and mouse continued their timeless game, forever entwined in a playful pursuit. Milo knew that he would always be one step ahead of Whiskers, but he also knew that he would never tire of the chase.